You ready to build something? All right, so our garden gets absolutely destroyed by grasshoppers every year. They're not too bad in the spring, but once summer hits, they are everywhere. Look, there's thousands. So, we're gonna get some more chickens. Lots and lots of chickens. The plan is to put some fencing up, basically all the way around the garden. We're getting close. Follow along for part 2.